Apostles. I'm Elena and I'm your religious commissioner. As we listen to the parable of the prodigal son and his brother for the rest of the week, carefully listen to each person, the younger son, the father, and the eldest son. Prodigal means to be reckless or wasteful, extravagant. Today we hear from the younger son, who is the prodigal one. We also remember St. Catherine Drexel, who founded Xavier University in New Orleans. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke. Jesus said, "There is a man who had 2 sons. The younger of them said to his father, 'Father, give me the share of the property that will belong to me.' So the father divided his property between them. A few days later, the younger son gathered all he had and traveled to a distant country. When he had spent everything, he began to be in need. So he went and hired himself out to one of the citizens of the country, who sent him to his fields to feed the pigs. He would gladly have filled himself with the pods that the pigs were eating, and no one gave him anything. But when he came to himself, he said, 'I will get up and go to my father, and I will say to him, Father, I have sinned against heaven, and before you I am no longer worthy to be called your son. Treat me like one of your hired hands.'" The Gospel of the Lord. Think about this silently in your heart. What does it say about the Father that his Son wanted to come back? Merciful God, help us to know when we have gone wrong. We trust you will welcome us back always. Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
我们的天父，愿你的名受显扬，愿你的国来临，愿你的旨意奉行在人间，如同在天上。求你今天赏给我们日用的食粮，求你宽恕我们的罪过，如同我们宽恕别人一样。不要让我们陷于诱惑，但叫我们免于凶恶。阿们。
Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y la república que representa una nación bajo de Dios entera, con libertad y justicia para todos.
We have a birthday today. It's Skylar Gillen's birthday in K Spanish. Skylar, I hope you're having a fabulous birthday. Sending you virtual high fives and big hugs.
We are children of God. We are teachers, learners, and peacemakers. We will be safe, be respectful and kind, be problem solvers, be good decision makers.